Tasmania has been a fantastic place, and we've got some fantastic memories. We'll still be here a while until we head back, and here's just a bit of a flashback on some fond memories that I have.
May I take your order?
It's not, it's plastic. Was Gladwrap. This is Ray in Harry's homemade canoe made of plastic and cane.
Yeah, no leaks, going beautifully. Made a few modifications to it, but going great. Look.
Weighs 5 kilos.
Plastic, fantastic. Plastic is fantastic.
Not in this world.
Well, not really.
Wouldn't want to go too far for Hans.
No, we want him to go to the island.
We're going to go a bit in the surf in a minute.
Yeah, all right. That'll be great.
Okay.
We can't wait.
Oh no! But you can go through between the tree and the bush. Oh yeah. Look at it. That's Barbie. She's plastic.
Plastic.
He's going along all right.
This is the inventor, Harry, of the plastic fantastic
Barbie.
Barbie.
Yeah. And Ray's testing out. How much does Ray weigh?
About 90.
90 kilos.
90
That's
kilos
pretty
roughly
good.
in a
Yeah,
5 kilo boat.
Carry that.